Hi, my name is Odogwu. They call me the comedy machine. You know me as the principal. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button for more videos or for you to know when any video drops. Okay? Subscribe. Anxiety.
The worst place to buy phone for Lagos now, Ikeja, hold up. They drive last week, you know all those boys, they just, bros, I say iPhone 12. I say iPhone 12. I say when they do, I say we do it on their behalf. And now say on it, and I had turu. I say, but that one is Nokia. I say they combine do them. If you check the battery set, now Samsung. Since then, now I'm not here to perform, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, put your wonderful hands together for ODOGWU. Show some love for ODOGWU. Pilot to everything. You don't say everything for Nigeria, it don't hard. To get everything, it don't hard for this country. But my favorite song, na bank account to na Bagan by P Square. My sister, you know, say some people, their bank account is not Bagan, their bank account is Papa. You get the money where go enter your phone, you get as your phone go vibrate. If 15 million enter your phone go do 12 million, 10 million, 5 million, 2 million, 1 million, 2K. That don't mean say maybe you go hustle well. Now, you know, I used to tell people, you get where your father-in-law go get money rich, you can decide to bear your wife's surname. I did tell people ask me, Bash, why did you change your name from Bash to Bash the Cash? I said, because everything that is good in life have a surname. Check out the best countries in the world. United States of America, United Kingdom, Great Britain, South Africa, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Audit. Countries where they give the whole world problem, now short name. Iraq, Iran, Libya, Congo, you are on your own. Check out the best drinks. They have surname. NSC, VSOP, Jack Daniels, Moet and Jandon, Johnny Walker. Drink we go kill you. Now 150. The name now short. Agbara. Ori Maluk. Monkini or Shinap. You will kill yourself. Check out the best motor. They have surname. Lamborghini Porsche, Honda Accord, Bugatti Veyron, Mercedes Benz. Motor we go send you to Wode Oniri. Now short name. Dasson. Subaru Fiat. Those are the kind of motor we say if you close the right door, bah! Now the left go open. If you close it, my brother, sister, you never see motor where they drive second for Lagos. I see one for Joel Egba. I see the first motor, and I saw the motor they go. Now we where they drive. Only more traffic here, you know. My brother, if you start automobile, you know they hear the noise of the engine. If you start motor, it's like the engine is laughing the owner. If you put on for guy, those are the kind of motor where they drive at the filling station. They direct you to where they sell kerosene. I tell people, different tribe for Nigeria. You never notice? Calabar people there, Abari. Calabar, the only tribe in the world that their names sound like past tense. Who took is the past tense of who take. Who fought is the past tense of who fight. Calabar, the only tribe that can never be armed robber. Why? Because of the way they talk. If you want to rob, you must have authority in your body. But if you move, oh shoot, wait. How Calabar man go take rob? My brother, if you move, are you rough? If you move, are you rough? I go say idiot, go there. But Yoruba people, they are here. Anywhere you see chair, the Yoruba people are there. Want to joke? Ask them what are they doing. Animal momo kori want talk be shale no ni kokponje kaje. But man sheni atuma she bi ori buruku ton shele every day ni. Yoruba are the only tribe in the world that are scared of sound. If an Igbo man hear anything like sound here, bah! They know they run. They say, nah, that doesn't sound like a gun. They did here. Yoruba man that buy food, where they wash hand, one cut about. Silencer of motor is sounding outside though. As you walk out the way, bah! And you in Konkondun. Something sound out some people they shop. They say how you take no, you say you know yeah. If you get the call to continue, sound second time, bah! Where you go here? I don't believe food. They say, but now only Yoruba they hear motor. Rich Yoruba people they hear say the motor where they buy na bulletproof. Yes, I'm brother they run for front. You go come down from the motor begin run. Now the driver go call him chief, and he bulletproof motor, and he already okay. Oh, I beg Batoshe. Toba drunk by Okuti, and you already call it Jamasai. My name is Bash the Cash. I'm here to support the brother. Thank you very much.